Guys, it's the last full day in Puerto Rico. I don't even know how much I even vlogged yesterday, but yesterday was blackout central. Today we're going to the Bacardi factory in Old San Juan. I think that might be a whole separate vlog, so I don't know. It really depends. It depends if that's just gonna be like a separate vlog. Yeah, I'm at breakfast right now. I'm so hungover. I can't even eat. Yeah. Okay, guys, it's like after 12:30 or something like that. We finally made it out the hotel room. It was a slow morning. I was super hungover, and you know, I had a meeting with my mentor, but we're out, kind of try and find something to eat, and then we're gonna go to the Bacardi factory and Old San Juan. But yeah, this is my outfits from Shein. I hope my titty isn't out. I'm really gonna pop a titty today, but it's fine because I'm on vacation. But this whole set is from Shein. I love it. And then I'm matching it with my Telefar bag and my Ray-Bans. So same jewelry I've been wearing all vacation. So yeah, we're gonna go back to this one spot that we ate at. It was really good. It was like kind of like an indoor outdoor place. And yeah, and then head out. Shein, whose titty is fitting in this shirt? I want to know. I really want to know because I have like no titties. I'm like a B cup and my shit is spilling out. Absolutely ridiculous. I'm definitely popping a titty out today. But like, damn, this outfit is so cute, but it's like wow, like it's exposed. I got the taco salad. I got a margarita. I am going to the Bacardi factory, so I don't know if this margarita is a good idea, but it's the last day of Puerto Rico. Whatever.
This is a good thing to take a picture.
Oh, we're here. We're here. Guys, we're here. Oh my goodness. I love it here already. And they gave us these coins so we can go to the bar and we can go into a daiquiri. No, not daiquiri, mojito. So cute.
Mojitos by my own mom. When the pandemic starts, I started to sell this, you know, to get extra money, you know.
Wow. Yeah.
$30 half a gallon and the gallon for $50.
Wow.
What do you think about that?
Yeah.
I did a lot of money in that.
You made
right now I don't have that much time because I'm working here.
Yeah.
But if somebody of my friends or somebody asks me, they need to pay me.
Definitely.
Now you need to smack it. You know? Blow these aromas out. Salud.
Thank you. Gracias.
Alright, I guess I'll do the...
for that?
Yes. Gracias, sir.
Salud.
Guys, I got a mojito. I love it here. The tour hasn't even started, but they gave us free coins. You're coming home with me. Yeah, we're taking this with us. Souvenirs.
It's an awesome room. I really like that part of the tour. I'm going to talk a little bit about the Bacardi things, the Bacardi rum, the Bacardi family, some of the things that happened for us to be able to make a rum. Feel free to ask questions. We're going to stop in the family museum, so we're going to be face to face. If you got any doubt, ask them, alright? No silly questions here, all good, amazing questions, so feel free to ask anything that you want. My goal is that you have a good time.
Welcome, ladies.
Thank you.
Alright, so my mixto crew, welcome. This is the Bacardi Family Museum. This is not that much of a museum where I can give my voice like 3 times, but this is the family room. Right? The family are still the owners of the company to this day. They have always owned the company. And when they come here to Puerto Rico, because they don't live here, this is where they come. Celebrations, parties, alright, enjoyment. Last time the family, right? Family 3, only 5th generation, only in the 5th generation. Families already 6, 7, and 8. in some parts of the company. But when I'm talking about the family, I mean the family that makes the decisions for the company, which are the members of the family that are in the board of the company, which names you have in these barrels behind you. Now, those barrels were for the 150th anniversary of the company. We made a special rum for the family which was inside those barrels. Now, something that I like to tell about rum. For example, when you see barrels that they have a cooler, then I can actually serve the rum that I have inside and drink it straight away. This is gonna have a stainless steel tank inside. Rum, opposite to wine, you know that wine changes in the bottle, as you say, but usually for the better. Rum only changes inside the wood. So if this bottle doesn't have a stainless steel tank, it's not gonna be the same rum that I placed the first time in there. Stainless steel doesn't have flavor or aroma. So this type of barrels that you serve and drink, stainless steel tank inside. Now the barrels that we use for aging, we have these two bases we age them, and we blend them together to deliver every final Bacardi product. It's too simple if you have never listened about rum. It's a real great explanation, alright? So I'm gonna forget about these bases for a second.
Like very, very little. Hey, 3 shots. Nice. Cute. Cheers. I'm not ready. It was the dark Bacardi that fucked me up for my 21st. I told you. Salud. I just took it. It's good. I had Bacardi Gold for my 21st birthday, and I'm still scarred by it.
At the end, remember those bases will go aging, not together, separately from the other. They're only gonna come together after that aging process and filtration that we do.
Oh yeah, this is the mixology class.
Welcome everyone into the mixology room. I like this part of the tour, so I hope you enjoy it as well. Now every station, you're gonna make sure that you see.
Where do you want to sit? I mean, where do you want to stand?
Okay. I'll come to one where you have
like here?
ingredients.
Or here?
The table is set for 3 people, 1 on each side, 1 in the middle. So if you're 2,
Yay.
this is
our mixology class. Oh my
every table is set for 3, right? Come over to the front, my friends, make sure that you see ingredients. No ingredients, no cocktails. You're good right there, right? You're gonna go right here, but I forgot the name, only showed me how to make one. Right, I only have time to show you how to make one. But from this recipe, you change this, you change that, and you have 2 or 3 versions. This glass. The mojito is what we call a build-up cocktail. We're gonna be building up the mojito in here. So we have 2 glasses. We're gonna place 1 glass on the side because in front of you, I only want you to have the 1 single glass that you are gonna be using right now. We're not gonna use the shaker yet. We're not gonna use the 2 glasses. We're just using 1 glass like now.
Just 1 glass. So I think we're gonna make a mojito first.
I told you that the first cocktail in the world is the mojito. Don't buy parrots, for parrots, for whatever parrots we're doing, that's not gonna bother you with today. For parrots actually learned that many of the things that they were using for that mojito would help them, would make them feel better, right? And you know that parrots didn't have as much hygiene resources as we do now, so sugar, so you get that balance of sour and sweet. So my recommendation is 3.
I just
So
put
if you
the
like more the sour business, then use 2.
yeah, and
And you're gonna get more of a sour mojito. But my recommendation in the amount of lime that we added is 3 spoons of sugar.
So we need 3 spoons of sugar.
Because it's just water, then you put some oil, and then you have the same amount of water and sugar. That's simple.
Guys, I'm gonna be a bartender
Make it
now.
less simple.
So we have the sugar, the lime, and the mint. I'll say we're making a mojito.
Our bottle of Bacardi Superior, our family's first ever rum, you can do with this rum.
Okay, he said for us to dump this whole bottle in the cup. So the whole thing is going in
We are telling you, bro, this one is
Wow.
for mixing. Kind of the hypocrite, right? But you know what you can do just by looking at the bottle. So we're gonna take the perfect mixing. They told me I was wrong. Because native rum is the most expensive ingredient. But how can it be the most?
We're adding ice. And you start to fill it up to the top.
Puerto Rico, you don't have to ask for that wine. It's going to be played by itself. We are at that stage. We are at that stage.
Okay, I'm adding hot syrup, but the door is to stop right where the palm tree is, so that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah.
Then we say para abajo,
Para
para el centro
abajo.
y para adentro. No hay más nada. Salud, mi gente. Enjoy your own tea mojito. Por Cuba para el mundo.
Come on, Glenn, let's cheers.
A lot of my cups are
Okay, perfectionist.
Now you already know that variations can be done.
Yay!
You can even all the
Okay,
way to
we're
the
now
top
making pina
and
colada.
into
So that's why we
the
have
shaker.
the coconut juice or coconut milk or something like that.
Baby,
So they
and
make
now
their
we're
pina
gonna
colada
add
with
the golden
coconut
Puerto
cream,
Rican rum.
and it's going in
My
the
friends,
shaker.
This is the perfect rum for
It's really
mixing.
thick.
This is the Bacardi Añejo 4. We're gonna age this rum for cinnamon, and ginger, pumpkin spice, Irish cream, strawberry, passion fruit, and you have a different twist to that piña colada, right? Bueno, mi gente, enjoy Puerto Rico's national card. So, stop. Oh yeah, let me get a napkin and give you a big hand. Enjoy Puerto Rico's national card. Enjoy that piña colada.
Do you like it?
I'm gonna leave the door open so you.
We're at the gift shop, and I'm taking something home with me. I am definitely taking something home with me. Wow. Oh, look at these little mugs. This Bacardi factory is so nice. Like, I really feel like I'm in a resort right now. Oh, gosh. Y'all, we're in Old San Juan, and it's so pretty here. Hey, it is so pretty here. Tell me you're a tourist without telling me you're a tourist. We have our Bacardi bag, so we're really sticking out, but it's fine. It is so nice. I think it's the same restaurant. Y'all, look at the street behind me. It's so pretty. Wow. So pretty out here. I'm so blessed to be here. I'm very, very blessed. Oh my gosh. If I lived in one of these apartments here, the people who live here, lucky, blessed. Wow. Amazing. Please come to Old San Juan if you're in Puerto Rico. Like, it's amazing over here. Oh God, Jesus Christ. Guys, I'm on my second margarita. And yeah, guys, we are just chilling. The view, oh, it's dark now, but it's so nice. Right away. I saw the light inside your eyes tonight. You and I were beautiful like diamonds in the sky. I got free shots for doing karaoke. Ready,